scary times for sure when you just been in a collision with your vehicle. A lot of times people just become panicked and not sure what to do. We don't do auto body work at Caliber Automotive, but we have great referrals that we can work with you in order to get you the best service or repair possible. And the reason why I'm doing the video is that we get the call quite often, or even vehicles just dropped off, as for instance this one. After a collision, they weren't sure what to do. They were panicked, and they knew of us because that's where they serviced their vehicles, so they had the car towed to our shop. Now, that's great, and we don't mind that at all. We'll help you sort of navigate the next steps in getting it repaired and put you onto one of our referrals. But I guess the biggest point in this video would be understand that you have a choice. You don't have to take the vehicle to the recommended repair shop that the insurance companies sort of, I wouldn't say forcing you, but really encouraging you to use. They have a partnership based on a certain metrics, and sometimes it's not serving the client's needs more than it is the insurance company's needs. And so, yeah, just know that you have a choice. Have it repaired wherever you want to have it repaired. Do some research on the companies. Take your time. I know it's a panic. I know it's a stressful situation. Might have had injuries. And certainly you're without your vehicle, so there's all those dynamics that come into play, and sometimes the path of least resistance is the easiest one to take. I would suggest that you just kind of look around, make some phone calls, ask questions, call us if you want. We're happy to help with any information we can help you with. And yeah, so anyway, our main referral partner for auto body work is Royal Autobody. They're just down the road from us. Fantastic family-owned business. They do great work, and they stand behind what they do, and they'd love to help you out. So if you've been recently in a collision, or keep this video in your back pocket or the information in it, so when that time does come up where you are in a collision and you need some assistance, you kind of have a guideline or some insight to it. So I hope this was helpful, and I really hope that we never have the conversation that you've been in a collision. But it does happen. There's a lot of cars on the road and a lot of just distracted drivers. So if you need some help that way, give us a call. Reach out, whatever it is you need to do. Check out Royal Autobody. They're fantastic. You won't be disappointed. Have a wonderful afternoon.